Did you know that besides water, sunlight, and air, all essential for life, there's now another critical element: semiconductor chips. These tiny wonders are everywhere, from the smartphones in our hands to the electronic systems in our cars, medical devices, and even our home appliances. They're almost as vital to us as the air we breathe. Ever stopped to think about how many chips you come across every day? Every year, the world churns out over 1 trillion chips. A modern car typically contains anywhere from 1,500 to 3,000 chips. And it's reported that an iPhone 12 houses about 1,400 semiconductor chips. Now, imagine this. Each day, you're likely crossing paths with at least 3,000 to 5,000 chips. That's a staggering number, isn't it? Taiwan isn't just leading the charge in chip manufacturing. Its market share and production values underscore its pivotal role in the global supply chain. In 2023, Taiwan's IC industry's production value hit a new high of approximately $144.67 billion. Looking ahead to 2024, it's projected to jump to about $167 billion. That's a 15.4% increase. According to TrendForce, in 2023, Taiwan's global market share in foundry services reached a staggering 46%. Furthermore, around 92% of the world's most advanced chips are produced by TSMC. What's the secret behind Taiwan's chip-making success? It lies in its deep connections with international partners and customers. These relationships go beyond just mere business. They foster tech exchange and innovation. In the realm of advanced process technology, TSMC stands out as unbeatable, serving many of the globe's leading tech companies like Apple, Qualcomm, and NVIDIA. TSMC is even planning to build a joint venture wafer fab in Dresden with major automotive component manufacturers like Bosch, Infineon, and NXP. With an investment totaling 10 billion euros, this strategic move shows just how chip manufacturing collaborations can tighten Taiwan's ties with Europe. The craze for generative AI is sweeping through the global tech industry at lightning speed, and AI chips are soon to be in hot demand. Research suggests that by 2024, the global chip market will be worth $576 billion, with AI chips making up 11% of that market. Gartner predicts that by 2027, the global AI semiconductor market could soar past $111.6 billion, representing 15% of the global semiconductor market share. And what about Taiwan? It's brimming with potential in AI chip design and manufacturing. According to the latest AI chip evaluations, Taiwan's startup New Chips has outpaced global giants like NVIDIA in AI inference chips designed for recommendation purposes. Meta's first-time collaboration with Andes Technology to develop its own AI accelerator, MTIA, is another nod to Taiwan's manufacturing prowess. Each chip's processing unit contains 2 core processors from Andes, geared specifically for handling certain AI tasks. MediaTek has been pouring resources into the automotive and AI industry for years, partnering with NVIDIA to develop smart cockpit chipsets that integrate generative AI into smart vehicles. Realtek, originally focused on communication chips, has expanded into automotive electronics by developing automotive networking chips. It now offers a range of automotive chip solutions, including in-vehicle infotainment and camera chips. Taiwan boasts a comprehensive chip manufacturing supply chain, spanning from upstream raw materials and design development to midstream wafer manufacturing, and then downstream packaging and testing. This creates a highly integrated ecosystem that allows for one-stop service, boosting efficiency and speed to market. Plus, this setup gives Taiwan's chip manufacturing industry a robust ability to adapt and bounce back, enabling quick response to market shifts and external impacts. Ever wondered about a future without made-in-Taiwan chips? The supply of high-tech products such as smartphones, computers, and cars would face significant disruptions, potentially leading to production halts and technological setbacks. Moreover, the competitive landscape of the global semiconductor industry might undergo a dramatic shift, worsening the tech product supply and demand imbalance and causing severe economic repercussions. As Taiwan's chip manufacturing prowess merges with the world's cutting-edge technologies, the possibilities for the future are boundless. By joining hands with Taiwan, we can ensure the sustained development and innovation of this critical technology, allowing it to flourish and yield results on this land.